In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your emo account. If you're sure you no longer want to use IMO, this process will help you remove your account directly from the app. Before you begin, it's important to understand what permanent deletion actually means. Once your account is deleted, all of your messages and chat history will be erased. Your contacts and profile information will be removed, and the account cannot be recovered later. If you ever decide to use emo again in the future, you'll need to sign up with a new phone number. So, make sure you're completely certain before going ahead. To get started, open the emo app on your device. Once the app is open, look for the profile section, which is usually labeled as Me. Tap on that to access your personal account area. This is where emo keeps your profile options, account settings, and privacy controls. After that, go to Settings by tapping the gear icon. In the Settings menu, look for the Account or Privacy section, depending on the version of the app you're using. Tap there to continue. This is the area where account management options are typically located, including the option related to deleting your account. At this point, take a moment to read everything on the screen carefully. Since this is a permanent action, emo may display warnings or confirmation messages to make sure you understand the consequences. This is normal, and it's there to help prevent accidental deletion. Now simply follow the on-screen instructions to continue the deletion process. The app may ask you to confirm your decision more than once, and you should read each prompt carefully before proceeding. If you're asked to verify your identity or confirm account ownership, complete that step as instructed within the app. As you move through the prompts, remember that deleting the account is not the same as uninstalling the app. Removing the app from your phone does not erase your account data. You need to complete the deletion steps inside emo for the account to be permanently removed. Once you finish following the on-screen instructions, your IMO account will be scheduled for permanent deletion or deleted immediately, depending on the app's current process. If the app gives you any final confirmation message, that's a good sign the request has gone through successfully. And that's it. That's how to permanently delete your emo account. Just make sure you fully understand the consequences before confirming, since this action cannot be undone.